Hello and welcome to WPKlik's YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how to make your own custom menu in WordPress. Note that the instructions you'll hear today are the same for Gutenberg and for the Classic editor. The first thing to do is log into your dashboard and go to Appearance. Then click on Menus. Now you have to pick a name for your menu. Once you have made the decision, click the Create Menu button. The next step is to choose which items you want to add to the menu from a box that will open on the left side of the screen. Also choose the location for your menu here under Menu Settings. The location is where your menu will be displayed on your site. Tick the box next to the location you want and click on Save Menu. The process is the same for adding your blog post items. Pick the items and click on Add to Menu button. If you have created some custom posts, you can add them to your custom menu too by inserting the link in the Custom Link section. Just paste the URL in the designated box and be sure to insert the title of your post in the link text box. To finish, click on Add to Menu. Once you have added everything you needed, you can drag and drop the items to rearrange them the way you like. For instance, you can set the main home as the first item in your menu and so on. Another very practical thing you can do is to create a drop-down menu. This is where you can group your pages and posts under one item. To do this, simply drag all the items you wish to be displayed in the drop-down menu below the parent link on the second level. Then move them a bit to the right and click the Save Menu button. To add items on the third level, drag them below the parent link and then move them slightly to the right so they are even more indented. If you need to change the name of the page that will be displayed in the menu without modifying the actual name of the item, click this small arrow to the right. In the navigation label box, type the name that will eventually be displayed in your menu. When you're good and done, click the Save Menu button. The modifications you have made will not be visible on your website. If you want your menu items to open in a new tab, you can simply head to the Screen Options card located at the top right corner of your dashboard. Go to Show Advanced Menu Properties and tick the Link Target box. Now, when you click the small arrow next to the post type name, just under the navigation label, you will see the Open Link in a New Tab option. Just tick the box and save your menu settings. And that's all there is to it. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more information on this topic, check out the description and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.